Yes, I'm Lauren Diedemann. I work at the Research Institute of Organic Agriculture, FiBL in Switzerland, and my role in the project is the leader of Work Package C, the carbon farming knowledge base. There's a lot of challenges for organic farmers to search information. When we talk specifically about organic farmers, I think the biggest challenge is to differentiate or find information that's tailored to organic farming. And not to find, general, conventional fact sheets or knowledge that has maybe one sentence about organic, or they think, okay, I have to adapt this for organic. The other thing that I could say is the accessibility, or the accessibility in terms of being able to find the knowledge, so some sort of accessible platform, but then also in a language that's understandable for them, not only in terms of the language itself, how it's written, but also their language. So if a Spanish farmer is looking for some information, they need it in Spanish, not in English or in Dutch. We within the project, we work with the Organic Farm Knowledge Platform. It's a EU-wide platform that's really aimed at organic farmers, and only organic farming information and knowledge is featured there. So